Hello guys, welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send your money from OKX to PayPal. But in the beginning, I will tell you that there is no direct way to send your crypto from OKX to PayPal, and this means you need to use the middleman. We need to find the middleman at bestchange.com. Here are some good exchangers, and we will use them to exchange our crypto from OKX to our PayPal account. So let's begin. We need to go to the bestchange.com, and on the left side, we need to select the cryptocurrency we need to send from OKX. Most likely you have USDT, and you can choose Tether TRC20, guys. This is USDT, and you need to use TRC20 because OKX doesn't support the BIP20 network, and also TRC20 has got the lowest fees. So let's choose Tether TRC20 if you have, of course, USDT on your balance. And on the right side, we need to find the PayPal. So let's find the PayPal. So in most cases, we need this money in USD. So let's choose PayPal USD. And here you can see the full list of the exchangers. And here you can see the list of the exchangers. And we need to find the good exchanger. You can see number of reviews on the right side. So let's filter them with the number of reviews. For example, the first one has more than 3,000 reviews and all of them are positive. So this green numbers means that all of the reviews are positive. If there will be red numbers, that means the negative reviews, guys. So you can choose the exchanger who has got a lot of positive reviews. You also need to look at the reserves, and you can look the minimum amounts. So for example, the first exchanger only accepts money above $486. And here you can see the rates, guys. So you need to find the good exchanger. So you can choose one of them. I'll just show you an example. So for example, this one Magnetus has got minimum amount 100 USD. And you can see the exchange rate, you can see the number of reviews, you can see the reserves. So let's choose Magnetus in this case, and you will be redirected to their official website, and you need to fill all of the gaps. So first of all, you need to write your email address, then you need to choose Tether TRC20 USDT. So if you are sending USDT from OKX, you need to choose USDT here, and on the right side you need to choose PayPal currency, guys. For example, PayPal USD. We are going to send, for example, 200 USDT, and for 200 USDT we will receive 200 PayPal USD. Then you need to accept the rules. Here you need to enter your account Tether TRC20 USDT wallet address. So you need to go to the OKX. Then you need to go to your assets. Then click deposit. Select USDT, select TRC20. And copy the wallet address, go back to this website and paste the wallet address right here. Here you need to paste your PayPal email address. Then you can choose these add-ons, guys, but keep in mind that they have some extra fees. For example, if you want the screenshot of the payment, and if you tick this, you will be charged with extra 3 USD. So you can look at this add-ons, then you can write some comments if you want. Then you need to submit, and they will give you a wallet address where you need to send your money, guys, from OKX. So just copy their wallet address, go back to OKX, then go to your assets again, select withdraw. Here you need to select USDT. Here you need to select TRC20 and paste the wallet address from Magnetus in this case. So they will give you a wallet address, just copy it and paste right here and send them the exact amount of crypto, guys. So in this case, we're sending 200 USDT. Send them the exact amount, guys. They will send the money to your PayPal address. This will take, I think, a few minutes. In most cases, these transactions will take only a few minutes. So you can use these services, guys. That's all I want to show you in this short video tutorial. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.